Hey my friend, this is Nestor Nidome from the MakeMoneyFromHomeDad.com, and welcome to the MakeMoneyFromHomeDad.com. Right here in this training, I'm gonna show you something really cool. I did this little test study about how to create traffic, okay, on Facebook using Facebook groups, okay, and your Facebook fan page. And it's very simple. Let me go to here. I have several pages right now. I've been using the Make Money from Home Dad, and so what I did, I shared this one right here, this one post right here, okay, and this is free traffic, so we're gonna go for free traffic. So I shared this one, right? I created a blog post on my page, right, which is this one right here. So I created a blog post, and I wanted to drive traffic towards it, right? But I want you to see that how simple it is to drive traffic. We're not gonna be talking about, let's say, we're gonna talk about a little bit about clicks and then sales. All right, so this is very quickly on Facebook right here. I was able to reach 890 people, as you can see right here, 890 people free. All right, absolutely for free. I reached this. If you do paid advertising excuse me, using Facebook, you know how you gotta pay for all this stuff, right? Even though these numbers are kind of small, I still consider them, because the more people see your stuff, the better results you'll get. Okay, so right now I just created traffic. This right here is created traffic, right? I'm gonna show you also that this wasn't necessarily it might not be good traffic, it might not be targeted traffic. So the way you create targeted traffic is based on what you say here, so you can pull people over to what they want. Okay, so right now I was able to reach 890 people through free traffic. And what I do is this. Okay, so what I do is very quickly I click on this, where the says the date or the number, and that gives you a link. This link you can actually share it. You can share it on Facebook. Okay, so what I did, I went and opened up a notepad. Let me see. So this is what I did really quickly. I copied it and I did this, right, and then what I did is just to use the same wording right here, right? I use the same wording, and there it is. So there's the wording right there. And then what I did is actually put the link straight to that blog post in here as well, okay? Because I want them to click here, just in case they don't click on the picture. Just in case they don't know, because if you click on this picture right here, it'll take you over straight to this blog post. Okay, so this is what I did. So I copy right here and I paste it into this right here very quickly. Then what I do, highlight everything and copy. All right, so this is my blog post. Very quickly I say some stuff, I teach them about traffic, I learn, I have a little call to action there, I do a little call to action there, and some people have been commenting, right? I haven't commented back yet. I haven't had a little bit of time, but they've been commenting. Okay, so then what you do here is you go. This is how you're gonna generate free traffic on Facebook. Okay, so let me go home very quickly. This is a very simple way to generate traffic. Okay. And what you do here, you're gonna have to be inside groups. So I'm thinking this, I wrote this for people in network marketing who want to generate traffic for network marketing through through some of the stuff that I do. So what I do, I put network, so let me see, network marketing groups. Okay, so I put network marketing groups and a bunch of stuff comes up, and what I do, I go search, I click on the search. All right, and you can do that with whatever target market you want to do. Then I go in here and where it says groups, and it's gonna show the groups that I'm already joined, and groups that I haven't joined. If it says join without the check mark, just push it, and somebody will accept you. So then what I start to see, I have a request right here that somebody hasn't accepted me. Then what I do, I start to just maybe open up 5, 6 or so at a time, and I do them in increments about maybe 15 minutes throughout the day. So like every 15 minutes or every 30 minutes, I'll open up another 5 or 6. And so I'll do it throughout the whole day. And that generally gets me from like that, like 700-800 people to sometimes like, 1,000 something people who will see my ad. And if I do a good job in me writing the copy, me writing the title, I'll get a lot of clicks. Sometimes, I don't do a good job at that, and so I don't get a lot of clicks, right? So then what I do is I tweak it. I play around with it until I get more higher return. And you can do this. Let's say you write a real good blog post. You want to do a discussion, okay? I'll write a really good blog post like this one. This blog post was a really quick blog post. It really wasn't like a great blog post. I just wanted to do it so you can see. So that's why I really didn't get a lot of great numbers with this blog post, because I just really did it really quick. I really didn't think about the copy. I just wanted to show you that it can be done, and it can be done quickly. I've done it before where it's very thought out. It's very I take my time with it, because what I do is, if you take your time with it, write a real good value post with a lot of call to actions, and you do a lot of good copy, and you do a great title specifically for a specific audience, it will get you a lot of more traffic. It will get you a lot more clicks. It will get you more leads and sales also. Okay, it happened to me before, several times. Like I said, this one's very easy. As you can see, when you go there, there's not a lot of writing. It's just a little video. The picture also, you want to put a better picture here with like a better title right there. Just I copy this from the actual video. So what you do is you go to all the groups, open up the groups, copy it, then erase the link from the post, right? So you will only leave this, and then just put post. Okay, what that will do, it'll post it on this group where there's 21,603 members, but there's a lot of people who are looking, right? And some of them will look at it and will click at it if the picture and the copy stands out to them for something. So what you want to be doing is always, I always try to ask a question or something, and always try to solve a problem that somebody is having, right? Like traffic, somebody's having a trouble, they always want more traffic, right? So that way they can click on the link and then go and do all that stuff, right? From this particular method, what I'm doing, I'm sending them over to a free tracker that is pretty cool, because when somebody signs up, I get 500 extra clicks, to track. And since the last time I checked, I've gotten 3 members go through this process who signed up. All right, so they signed up for the free version, right? They have a paid version too, which you can get, it's like really small affiliate fee, but that you get like a fee, affiliate commission, but if you do the free one, you get an extra free 500 points. So that's what I'm doing. This is why I am promoting. If you want to check it out, go ahead and check it out. It's free. And then if you sign up under me, I'll get another extra 500 points, 500 clicks. Plus you're gonna be able to recommend it to your friends, and you'll start to get 500 points. All right, clicks. And that's to be able to track it. If you want to learn more, just watch the video. I talk about what it is. So this is what I do. I did that. And in the results are this. Watch. So let's go back to this one, the Make Money from Home Dad. Okay, and it's pretty cool, because you let's say if you have a really good blog post that you want to promote, you can promote it throughout the whole week. You can get these numbers up to thousands if you promote it throughout the whole week. This is just a period of like the day. Like I started like around 10 a.m. and I stopped promoting it like around 10 p.m. or so, right? And I got to 100, like in one day I got to this point. And then what you want to do, if it's working, let's go to insights. Let's see. I really didn't get a lot of clicks or anything like that to this post, but I just wanted to show you that it works. At least 890 people saw it, right? You click right here on the actual writing, and it'll show you right here. Watch. Let me see. Go ahead and click on it. It's just taking a little bit of time. Oop, why is it not working? I think my internet. Okay, there you go. I thought my internet maybe. So as you can see right here, look, you're gonna see. Watch. 78 shares. So I shared it in 78 groups or 78 times. All right, so that in one day. So yeah, you kind of tell. I open up 5 to 6 or so. So throughout the whole day, I shared it 78 times. That got me about 890. I've gotten better. I've gotten worse. and 4 people click, right? Out of those 4 people, I don't know, maybe those were the ones who actually joined, right? Because I did share it in other places. But I got four clicks, right? This is free. It just, cost me, a little bit of time of doing it. If you don't have money, you're gonna have to hustle, right? So if you don't have money to advertise on Facebook, this is a very great way to do it by doing it this way, right? I know I didn't get a lot of clicks because I know this is not the greatest of copy and the greatest of pictures, because I've done other ones where I get a higher click rate. But look, 4 people clicked on it. How much would I pay Facebook to get 890 reach and 4 clicks? I would have paid, not that much, but at least $5, $10, $15 or something to get this, right? I would have gotten maybe $1 per click or $2 per click, or actually I don't know, So I'm just saying, this is free traffic. This is just one day. I got 4 clicks in one day. I got a couple of signups, a few signups for that program in one day. So as you can see, if I take time to maybe tweak, because what you can do if this doesn't work, then you can go back and change it. You can change this. You can, if you go on your blog post, you can change this too. You can change the picture, right? You can tweak it around, see if that will work. If you can get more clicks, more clicks to your website. And then, like I said, if you pick and write one really good blog post, and then you're able to do this for the whole week, and then the next week you'll do something else, right? And if it does really work really well, I wouldn't stop in 1 week. I will keep going, right? I will keep going until I get all the use I can, right? And also, you can be doing it with several blog posts or several things, not only just one particular one. So let's say you have one that really works, save it. You can use it later, right? You can post it later. Maybe, do it for a week, then do the next one. If let's say you have several ones, take turns with them. Take turns in doing this. So this is just traffic here on this. On Facebook, it's absolutely for free. If for any reason you do not have a blog post, because blogs are the ones that work the best in this best method, let me know. Okay, I'm using one that is very well. This is like one of the best ones that I've known and I love. Let me know. I'll hook you up with the same blog platform that I use. It does cost money, but it has amazing features. Okay, you're gonna love them. So if you don't have a blog yet, contact me, please, okay? Because this thing is incredible, and it works best when you send them to a blog post. You can do it with straight up to a capture page if you want to. And if you don't have a way to create capture pages, also let me know. I have a really great, very inexpensive way to. It's a one-time payment, and then you can create as many blog capture pages as you can with a one-time payment. All right, it doesn't have a lot of features like lead pages or anything like that, but it's good enough. It's very good enough. I've been loving that one. It's just a one-time payment. You don't gotta pay no monthly payments. All right, so let me know what you think about this. Drop me a comment, and also, if you want to learn more about what I'm doing to make money online, click the link below. It should say learn more, and check it out. Check what I'm doing. See if you wanna lock arms with me and start making money with me. I'll teach you actually way better ways to do this. I always teach my team members that this is what I'm giving for free. Now imagine what I'm actually giving to my team members, right? All right, my friends. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this training, and I'll see you on the next one, my friends.